All right, Lowheat fam, and any new viewers who are coming to see what's in this box, welcome and welcome back. Appreciate you, those who are returning visitors and subscribers. And let's just cut to the chase. If you're clicking on this, you want to know what's inside here, what it looks like, what's going to happen. Is there going to be shoes that jump out of this 6x6 box? And it costs a lot of money to find out what's in this box. So if you could do me a favor and just subscribe to help me feel better about this potentially dumb purchase, that would be helpful. So yes, that would be great. But on to the video. So first, let's start from the beginning. Let's set the table. Let's paint the picture first. First, Stingwater, Daniel Kim's company, apparel, retail, skate company, what have you, released this mysterious Friends and Family box ahead of their Stingwater Nike SB Dunk release and collaboration release. And some people, including myself, bought it in hopes that this would lead to something, that there might be a shoe inside. And this was the box that I got inside this Uline shipping box. This was the box that came. And Stingwater golden sticker on the outside. And there was absolutely nothing in the box but some stickers. Go check out that unboxing video. Check that out if you want to see the majestic reveal of nothingness. And I had some thoughts on that. It wasn't super salty. I can appreciate the stunty, memey, philosophical nature to this. I was hoping that there would be some sort of something t-shirt down the line other than it said on the website this was meant to be a sculptural piece. Same with this box we're about to open. So I mean, they did cover their asses in just being like, yo, that's what it was meant to be. Fine, fool me once, shame on me. So yeah, I got that. While I was waiting for this to come, I happened to cop these from Val Surf in the valley here. They're awesome. Stingwater did a great job. Did an unboxing video of these also. So go check those out. That video out, I should say. Awesome. Haven't worn them yet. I have a lot of thoughts on these, all mostly positive. So yes, please check out that unboxing video if you haven't seen it already. Okay, now on to the main course. We've set the table. We've got the appetizers out of the way. We have our utensils right here. Let's see. So this is just your standard, this is an 8x8 box, shipping box. I paid for the priority mail on this. The USPS is slightly more expensive to get it faster. It came yesterday. I'm opening it today. This will be uploaded later tonight. It did take a while for this to come. So let me make sure this is in frame here. This is an expensive box to open. This is all for the channel, all for the content of my fledgling YouTube channel that has a piddly amount of subscribers. All appreciated, but just, you know, I am on the lowest tier of unboxing shoe tubers. I hate that term, but that's what it is. It is what it is. So, yeah, again, if you could, I'd appreciate it. I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for you, YouTube commenters. If you toss me a like and subscribe, that'd be appreciated. So let's see. I wish I had music to play during this, but you know I'm not going to edit this. Okay. This same little stamp was on the somewhere in here in this packaging. Made for Stingwater 2021. Let's see. Oh, also I forgot to set the table. So they came out that with that first box. They also did a white Friends and Family 2 box. A Friends and Family 2 box in all white. That was this thing in all white. If you follow Daniel Kim's Instagram Vert God, he makes many posts showing all the upset customers, trolling memes. It's quite interesting to watch all the chargebacks, people trying to return these, people trying to resell these, everything and anything under the sun related to these Friends and Family boxes. Anyways, I skipped the white Friends and Family box because I was not to be fooled again. But then when they put out this raffle, this is the Friends and Family raffle box, the third iteration, I wasn't even drunk. I just said, you know what? Let's roll the meme dice. Let's just see what happens. And so here we go. All right. Okay. And just like before, in that other unboxing video, if you haven't seen, some stickers, it looks like. Oh. This is the scratch-off sticker. On the outside of the box here, what do we got here? Some Stingwater stickers. Okay. Some instructions, it looks like. Some growth instructions. Oh, it's telling you how to, is this even in frame? Sorry. There we go. I'm like not keeping things in frame. How to use the Appy forehead thermometer sticker. Peel sticker firmly pressed against forehead. Keep it on the rest of the day so they know it's time to grow. Okay, another me. So you can be a Stingwater devotee, a Daniel Kim devotee, cult member, growth member. I don't participate in the psychedelics, but maybe someday I would like to, just to see. So, that'll be good. I'll use that on that day. I'll put this on my forehead. So one day. Let's save this scratch off sticker to the end. Let's see what's in the box first, or what's in this packaging. Keep that there. Ooh, it's wrapped. Okay, wraps hand wrapped for us. Look at that. It's not only is this an unboxing video, it's an unwrapping video. Look at that. Let's see what we have here. Ooh. God, this paper is like $10. Probably shouldn't rip it. We'll keep it together. Oh, more instructions, more stickers, more instructions. All right, we got your Stingwater magic mushroom. Put it in the chat if you know what it is. God damn it, I forgot. You know what it is. I do enjoy eating mushrooms. If you've never had wild morels or found them in the wild, they can find them most places. I think in North America, in the woods, maybe not. Definitely in California, you can find them. I found some at various forests near Sequoia. Delicious. You can maybe buy them at farmers markets. Okay, sidebar on mushrooms done, but I do enjoy eating mushrooms. Okay, is this too far? I feel like this is too far. Okay, I'm keeping everything out of frame, so there we go. Adjustment made. All right, we got our instructions here. We got our lid here. Okay. Insert header into back. Simple enough. Ta-da. Okay. Is there anything inside the box? Okay. So out of this, let's do an inventory check. We got some fancy shipping box, fancy paper, shipping paper, a forehead sticker, a regular magic mushroom sticker, and we have this scratch off sticker, and we have our instructions. So that's your total inventory for this. Retailed for $222 plus shipping and tax. For me in California, came out to like $235. That's how much I spent on this nonsense. At least the other ones hinted that in weeks or months something might grow. This one did not even hint that, and I still bought this corrugated raffle box. Raffle kind of alluding to obviously sneaker raffles and stuff, so that's again why I was maybe tempted, baited, totally baited. Is there anything inside here? Let's just check. This is what you people came to see. This is what I paid for. Might as well see if there's anything in the box. Insert Brad Pitt voice from Seven. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Classic movie. Okay, nothing is inside the box. Absolutely nothing. We literally paid over $200 for a red box, a sculptural piece. So I thought, we'll get to this in a second here. What I already thought, what happens if this comes and there's nothing with it, and I'm hoping maybe some apparel might come down the line. I doubt it. At this point, we know, right? We know there's no shoes attached to these boxes. Not getting a pair of those dunks or friends and family dunks. There's nothing. I think loosely crossing my fingers that maybe a t-shirt comes down the line or something. I do not expect that really, though. At this point, I give it a 10% chance. I really think I just spent $300 on boxes. So what am I going to do with these? This one is more displayable. I will display this. And how will I utilize this other than a display? I thought to myself, well, I'm going to put some of my worst, because this is probably one of my most foolish purchases. I'm going to put in this box other foolish purchases. So let's start with this dumb thing that I bought at a bachelor party in San Diego. I must have been hungover. We were walking around the pier in San Diego, walked into a gift shop, and somehow I must have been hungover. The cashier hard sold me into buying a custom printed tank top made in Bangladesh with this print on it. I don't know what I was thinking. I felt bad for the guy. He was really excited. He was hard selling me. California Republic. This is what I bought for, I think it was $35. One of the worst I don't even know if I wore this on the bachelor party that day. One of the worst purchases I have ever made in my life. Setting $35 on fire would have been more satisfying. I could have at least put it on Instagram. I don't think I was on Instagram at the time, but this is absolutely one of the most terrible purchases I've ever made. I think I wore it once. I will not wear this in public. And so this is going inside the worst purchases box. Again, please subscribe. That'd make me feel better. What else is going inside the box? Let's put this together. And then we'll get to scratching off the sticker. I'm also going to put inside this box of worst purchases. So I generally keep my lost bets from Vegas. Here we have some 2017, 2018 Packers to win the Super Bowl, Milwaukee Brewers to win the World Series. That wasn't a terrible, it was $10 flushed down the drain. Like, that was just a fun bet. If I won, I would win $100 for the Packers, $800 for the Brewers. So that was like, whatever. I have many more of these that are worse bets. Just terrible sports bets. So I'm going to put those in there. And then what else am I going to put? These aren't really purchases, but it's still just wasted money. I'm going to put parking tickets that I've got in LA, California, other cities, not just LA and California. I'm sure other big cities, just parking tickets are just incessant. I don't get as many of them anymore. I'm savvy. I'm an adult. I've learned my lessons. But I paid for those lessons and these tickets. So all my parking tickets and bad sports bets from Vegas are going to go in there. So that's what I'm going to do with this terrible purchase box. Okay, if you've stuck it out this long, I appreciate you. If you fast forwarded the video to this part, I semi-appreciate you. And if you've already clicked off and you're not listening to this, then we don't need to talk. Okay, so let's see what's on this sticker. In knowing that there was going to be a scratch off, he alluded to that in the Instagram post, and Kim, I thought I would wear my Nike SB Premier Skate Collab Dunks, because these were, skate dunks. Daniel Kim's a skateboarder. So that's the dunk theme. But on top of it, this is why you should subscribe to me. I think about these things, these little details. I don't edit for shit, but I do think of the pre-production portion. So why I wore these dunks, other than them being SBs, an SB collab, these are the Win Some Lose Some dunks, lottery dunks. And these swooshes, you can scratch off, and some have a special design, very few of them, and then most of them have a regular pattern on them. I didn't scratch these off. I'm going to just let natural wear and tear reveal over time, I think. But yes, some of these swooshes, all the swooshes scratch off. Some have a special design underneath, and 90% of them have just a standard. I forgot at this point. Anyways, they came with a Nike SB sneakers scratch off coin and pouch in these. Fun fact, I emailed Nike. I didn't think this came with it. I'm like, mine didn't come with a special coin. And they're like, oh, sorry. And they sent me a 10% discount code for their website. And I was like, sweet. And then like weeks later, I was like putting these on, and I found this like at the bottom of the box underneath the paper, the tissue paper. So anyways, I'm going to use this Nike SB sneakers coin to scratch off this, since these did drop. These are Nike SBs, or these dunks over here. And they did drop on sneakers. So let's see what's Let's see what this is. A sticker. Yes, this is a sticker. So let's see. All right, here we go. Here, oh, I should do this closer so you can see. All right, I'll just hold it. Here we go. Here we go. What? How are we going to be trolled yet again? All right, some words. Oh, I got it upside down. I got shit all over the floor now. This is what I'm doing for you people. Got fucking golden shit everywhere. Okay, it looks like it's a Stingwater sticker. There we go. Ta-da. This is what it is. It looks like a see-through Stingwater sticker because the back is, I think it's a see-through clear Stingwater sticker. So there we go. That's what it is. No discount code to get shoes. No, hey, you're going to get 3 t-shirts for this in your support. No. The memes are on us, my friends. So there you go. That's what $230 got me. I hope you appreciate it. Please subscribe again. F in the chat. Pour one out for me. I am not rich. I do not have money to be blowing on this. I just did it as an investment in the channel and for you folks, so you didn't have to spend the $230. Well, $300 if you include the other box. So, yeah, would appreciate your condolences and support. This is what I got for $300. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. More videos coming soon. Check out my older videos. Yeah, so I'm going to go drink myself silly.